So good morning, everybody. Welcome to the DAX market opening. My name is Christian. I'm jumping in for my colleague Maurice, who has some trouble with his teeth here this morning. So even though the camera isn't working, we want to support you by showing you how we trade the DAX market open. In approximately 90 seconds, the market will start, and then future market, cash market, it all comes together, and according to history, we should see a bit of volatility in the market. Now, whether the market will go up or down, frankly, I have no idea. I wish I could say otherwise, but I have no idea. We had quite positive trading days the last couple of days. So whether that trend will continue or we'll see a little, we'll see the markets coming down a little bit. That's up to the market. So you have the countdown on the bottom left corner, 30 seconds to go. So here you see the DE30, that's the DAX. On the right hand side, there's our SwissBox tool designed for the MetaTrader. And I'm not just doing one trade here, I am opting to go for the grid system. So in 15 seconds time now, you should see a grid in here. And that grid goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And on the left hand side, whenever the market is going into trap 1, I'm going to place my box. Same goes for the other charts. All right, here we go. Trap number 1, I'll put it up here. Right, there's my green and red line. And I'm just waiting to click on the entry button. Once the market gets in, I'd like, here we go. Oh, come on, one more point. And let's bring in the trading terminal down here. So the market really needs to go one, here we go. So perfect, that's what I want to see. Now we have 2 pending orders, and the market literally now decides whether it's going up or down. That's the beauty about that box trading strategy. You can profit in both ways on a short-term time frame, as I'm doing here on the M1. Now let's put that here. All right, so we are in the first trade long. The blue line on the left-hand side is our take profit, and simultaneously on the right-hand side, the market was in trap number 3. Market came down, it triggered my sell profit order, and here the blue line is below the current market price. So we have 2 open orders at the moment, and both orders have the same size, so that's why our profit or loss at the moment is completely locked in until either of these orders is triggering our blue line. Right, I hope you get the idea, especially if you're new. And take a look, just one more point. Perfect. All right, and that's a market opening trade. Again, trap number 1 has been successfully finished. The market went up, triggered the blue line, and yeah, we are done with that trade. So, but we are not stopping here. We'll keep on continue trading in our live trading room. So if you want to join that, please visit our website. Have a great trading day, and we'll see you this afternoon in our live trading room. So for everybody else,